everyone, today we will do dictation of the editorial from the Economic Times. So ready? Start. End July, Parliament passed the Factoring Regulation Amendment Bill 2020, which is expected to ease working capital financing for MSMEs by allowing more banks and NBFCs to enter the factoring business. Factoring allows companies to sell their receivables to a bank or NBFC at some discount and get upfront payment rather than wait for customers to pay it off. The bank or NBFC will directly collect the receivables from customers at a later date. Discount would reflect the quality of customers as well collecting time. But importantly, factoring converts illiquid receivables sitting on a company's balance sheet into liquid cash. MSMEs in India typically face substantial delays in realizing their invoices. This not only hampers their capacity to pay their suppliers or bankers but also forces many to scramble for last-minute exorbitant financing options to avoid getting classified as an NPA account. Also, from the MSME's perspective, factoring has a significant advantage over working capital loans in that it makes balance sheet less leveraged. When it factors the receivables, it transforms its illiquid asset into a liquid asset cash. If it borrows against receivables, its debt and consequently debt equity ratio go up, hurting its term loans or credit ratings. Over the last couple of years, bigger firms have deleveraged and repaid debts while MSMEs have become more leveraged. Factoring could be helpful from the perspective of cash-strapped leveraged MSME. Presently, only NBFCs whose substantial revenue comes from factoring can provide such services. The amendment bill will now allow any bank or NBFC to provide factoring services utilizing RBI's trade receivables discounting system TREDS. It could also create a vibrant market. But is it a good proposition for NBFCs? First, from a banker's perspective, buying receivables isn't much different economically from providing a working capital loan collateralized by those receivables. Both options require a bank or an NBFC to invest substantial capital upfront. Further, the quality of a bank's balance sheet ultimately depends upon the quality of the receivables. So, the risk involved in both types of funding is similar. Perhaps factoring has an advantage as collection of receivables could be better by NBFC. But NBFCs can always provide for a fee collection services to MSMEs to recover dues after providing working capital loan against the receivables. If bankers are reluctant to provide working capital loans to cash-strapped MSMEs, what is in it for them to find MSMEs through factoring? If it is fatter fees, commission or larger discounts, then factoring is a costly proposal for them. Also, when the banking industry is short on capital to lend financing to MSMEs through either factoring or working capital loans will be limited. Hence, factoring does not fundamentally relieve MSMEs from its dependence on banking health. Finally, the aggregate banking capital stuck in financing working capital as against capex is similar even under the factoring option.